Welcome everyone. We have all done it at some time in our lifetime. We go out there and then get ourselves a brand new laptop. We get excited because after all it's a brand new system and it's calling us over to set it up right. Aw, that was super cute, right? If you thought so too, please smash that like and subscribe button. It is much appreciated. During the setup process, at a certain stage, you might feel like doing this. If you reacted like that, you now have a good looking paperweight. Stick around, watch till the end so you don't end up doing either that or this to your brand new system. Yes, I agree with these sentiments. I've been there myself. Maybe not that extreme. Setting up Windows 11 can be a nerve-wracking process. To protect your privacy and not fall for the Microsoft shenanigans, let me show you guys how to do the setup properly. But first, let's see what the AI from Microsoft, aka CoPilot, had to say about all of this. So the first thing on my mind was asking the Microsoft AI if what we are about to do is considered piracy. It wasn't surprising that AI actually thinks that it's not piracy at all, and we can proceed safely with setting the account the right way. It actually provided the steps to not fall for the Microsoft account trap by providing steps such as the famous Shift plus F10 and the bypass NRO trick. However, the AI, the Copilot, insisted that we should be using the Microsoft Online account instead and did not want to fess up that Microsoft is playing these stupid games. I kept insisting, and eventually Copilot did say that Microsoft is making it harder and harder to set up your brand new Windows 11 machine the right way, the proper way. Here's the thing, folks. Microsoft has been in the news lately about their recently released virus called Recall. I guess I meant to say feature, I suppose. You be the judge here. What do you guys think? Is Recall a virus or a feature? Now they're trying to steal your photos, credit card, banking details you might be storing on your computer by silently pushing them to their cloud using their OneDrive, offering you great deals and savings as well for storage on the cloud. I'm actually working on the video that talks about OneDrive and also if you can actually still do the proper account setup or not in the next upcoming release of Windows version 24H2, since I do have access to the Insiders program. So stay tuned and please do subscribe. So first thing you need to do is launch the command prompt and follow along and type in these commands. So again, to get to the command prompt, it's Shift plus F10 or function 10 key, and just follow along what these commands are being they're showing here on the screen, just exactly word to word or letter, or not word for word, letter for word letter, and do not skip either process. So first is setting up the administrator account or enabling it, the existing onboard one, and then just doing the second command that does restart. Once you have restarted, you will be able to log into the administrator account without a password, as you can see here. There is one more step that you need to do once you have logged into the administrator account. Note on Windows 11 Home Edition, when you activate the administrator account and you log into it, you can't simply add another user by just going to the other users and then clicking on add account. That's a feature of Windows 11 Pro or Windows 11 Enterprise Edition. So you need to do this. First thing is you need to launch the run command as an administrator. So locate your run command and launch it as an administrator account. And type in the following command. it will give you this screen where you can add a user. So that is what we are going to do, is click on the add button and add a new account, and we're going to say no, we don't want to sign up for the Microsoft email address. We're going to skip all that stuff. We're going to say local account. So we are setting up a local account on this computer. Again, this is Windows 11 Home Edition, and this is the step that you have to do once you log into the administrator account. Once you're done doing the setup for the new account, there's one thing that you need to do to make sure that you don't get locked out of your computer. Assign this user that you just created as an administrator, because the administrator account we are going to deactivate. So click on the properties for that user and go under the group membership and change it from standard user to an administrator account and hit apply. I always personally hit apply before I hit OK, but people prefer to just hit OK, but I always do hit apply and then the OK. Just make sure before you close everything that it is set up as an administrator account. Once you've done that, sign out of this account, this administrator account, because we need to do one more thing, is disable the administrator built-in account. Because it is a security concern, so you don't want to have a built-in administrator account active on any machine that is Windows 11 or Windows 10 for that fact. Once you're logged in, as you can see here, I'm logged in as my second account that I just created. And if I go here now to add a new user, you will see that I will get the actual screen, the normal screen, versus the one that you saw previously on the previous step. So I can now just add a new account just as I would normally, without having to go through that extra step of typing in the command in the run command window. So that's all you need to do. Let's disable the administrator account now. You can set up another account if you want at this point. This is Windows 11 Home Edition version 23H2. The last step that you need to do is launch the command prompt as an administrator. So go to your start menu, or in the search box type in CMD and launch it as an administrator account. Type the following command that you see on the screen, and that should disable your built-in administrator account. And that is the last step that you need to do. Now you can use the machine as you would, without having to worry about setting up your Microsoft account on this machine to use it. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button, please to subscribe. It is much appreciated. I'm so close to my 1,000 subscriber mark. So that is all, guys, that you need to do to protect your privacy. If you really care about your privacy, I would suggest you don't use your Microsoft account. Even if you don't use this local setup or this local account on your Windows, just don't sign into your OneDrive. You will see in my upcoming video where I actually don't have OneDrive signing in automatically, and I think that should still prevent me from, or that should still prevent Microsoft from accidentally stealing my data and putting it on cloud without my permission. So that video is coming up, so stay tuned for that. But again, this is the step that you need to take, is the initial step to protect your privacy is not use a Microsoft Online account to log into your Windows 11 machine. Anyways, guys, thanks for sticking around. Please do hit like, please do subscribe. It is much appreciated. Thanks a lot. Take care.